guys, welcome to my channel. So it's a beautiful day in Vienna today. If you're new here, my name is Tulani Baloi. And yeah, so if you're not subscribed again, please subscribe. Thank you for those who have already subscribed. Getting into it, it's the 4th of October on a Sunday. I am going to an ice cream hunt and a hike. So Yana is coming through. You don't know Yana, but her name. Yeah, I have Yana who's coming through, and we are gonna be ice cream crawling or whatever you wanna call it. And so basically what's gonna happen is that we are just gonna, like, you could call it ice cream hopping, test different ice creams and then pause to go to the hike. So we're gonna be hiking on the vineyards or vineyards, however you wanna call it. Yeah, so I will just briefly show you that part, and then I hope it's gonna be exciting. I've never been there, so yeah, I'm looking forward to it. We're going with Chris and some of his friends, so yeah, that should be fun, I guess. I am with Yana. And we are in heaven, like literally. Like literally we are in heaven.
There's a place called here.
The heaven. Who knew that Austria actually has heaven? So actually, that sounds so wrong.
So we are looking for heaven.
That's
the way you need to go.
If you are searching for heaven, come to Austria, because this is where it is. Yeah, I'm actually with Yana. Hey
guys!
And Chris again. Chris is a regular now. Everyone knows Chris by now. Everybody knows.
Everybody hates Chris.
Everybody hates Chris. Like everybody, you know the movie? I mean the TV series. Everybody. No, it's not. It's not South African.
Everybody.
It's not South African. It's American.
So look, this is.
Oh my gosh, this looks so cool.
Yeah, Chris, you were mentioning about the series. Everyone hates Chris.
Yeah.
Everybody hates Chris.
Now we are Cobenzl. This is the first hill, and over there it's Kahlenberg. It's the top of the hills. Kahlenberg. It's
Is it
the
where the swimming pool is?
No, swimming pool is over there. This is a hotel.
Yeah.
Left of the hotel hill is it's a church. Jan Sobieski. Jan Sobieski was the Polish king who saved us from the Turks. Turks were here in Vienna 2 times.
Yeah.
They never got in the city. The second time, 1683, Polish army and Jan Sobieski, the king of Poland, they had the army over there on Kahlenberg. Turks were over there and they just ran in them and defeated them, and so they saved Middle Europe from the Turks, so we were never conquered by Turks. Like Hungary was 150 years under Turkish influence. Yeah. Also Balkan, so Bosnia Herzegovina, people 1300 something.
Yeah.
We need to read about it.
Yeah, the history.
Have a quick glance on the view.
Yeah, I agree.
No, first we have a.
You are very, very welcome. So what do we have here? A parking slot.
Yeah.
I think it's the most expensive of yet.
I don't think you need to pay. It's like
It's private property.
Really?
Yeah. Means private property.
If you get wasted and you don't want to drive your car, you just park it here and call people to come pick you up.
So, is there any kind of free parking concept in Vienna?
No.
I'm just thinking, like, say if I'm gonna get a car, can I park in front of my house?
In 16th district, no, you get it's 200 per year a parking ticket.
Per year?
Then you're allowed to park in the
So
16th
it's less than a
district.
euro per
This
day.
is one of my favorites. They are also open. Hey, so we have to make a stop here. Again.
Alrighty, guys. So we are actually, what do you call this? Is it wine hopping?
It's your favorite vineyard, right?
Yeah, it's my favorite wine here. Yeah.
It's Chris's favorite
Hegel
vineyard.
Hasselbrunner.
Hengel Hasselbrunner, it's the name. That's the family name. Yeah.
It actually sounds so like. It doesn't sound right for me to call it a vineyard. I'd call it a vineyard.
It is a vineyard.
It has to be in Africa. It's like a vineyard.
Yeah.
Of course, we are coming.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm from Austria, from the Reisenberg.
Yeah, and now you are going to South Africa.
This is Gucci.
Yeah, you're actually famous right
We
now.
are all the famous people all over the Reisenberg.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And I told them you're my favorite winery. So
Put your hands in the
in the air.
Michael, you have a
I guess,
table. You are enough. Enough is enough. Okay, you have me.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Cannot be better.
Yeah.
Your English is so really perfect.
we are challenged for you. Yeah.
He don't understand English. That's why I make.
Okay. Yeah.
Aber ihr redet nicht Deutsch, oder?
Ich schon, ja.
Die reden Deutsch.
Aber,
was brauchst
Na, das ist nur zum Speisen.
What do you want to drink? Some white wine, some red wine.
No, white wine. For red wine, it's too early.
Sturm?
we have
To
already
Sturm again, or?
already had Sturm the first
We had that one. So
But unser Sturm is better.
I take a Sturm, yeah.
I promise you.
I have white wine.
Yeah,
Sweet
which
white
one?
wine.
Eitel oder Viertel?
No, a small one, yeah. Achtel.
Silvia? Was hast du,
because
Eitel oder
I will
Viertel?
also take white wine, so maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Eitel oder Viertel?
Yeah.
So both of us, we can take.
Also.
It's okay.
Ein Sturm.
Einmal Sturm, ja.
Ja?
Achtel, welche willst du denn empfehlen? Sie hätte gerne einen halbtrockenen, eher was.
Ja, das ist perfekt.
Okay.
Ah, Achtel, gell?
Ja.
Und Weißwein?
Ja,
Also.
Zweimal?
Zweimal.
Zweimal. Bitte schaut zum Essen. Wir haben Bratwurst, wir haben Käsekreiner.
Wir kommen gerade vom Essen. Wir haben uns gut versorgt.
Der Milchspeis auch schon gehabt.
You are not a sweet tooth? Bitte? Du hast das Wort, ja. Wir sagen das Wort.
So guys, we have almost reached our destination.
Shall we go here?
Are we going in?
Heute offen bis 19.
So, lots of meat, nothing for vegetarian people here.
That's why we're coming in. Kann man das noch oder Schnitzel nach?
Is schnitzel like like such a Viennese typical thing to have?
This is the typical Austrian dish.
Yeah. Because I saw in a lot of places, there's like just a lot of schnitzel.
Alles kommt mal gut.
Again?
What are we having? What is happening?
Mushroom.
Okay. Is this our last destination, Chris?
No, it's not the last destination. Bye.
It is not the last. I lied. There is still more that we're doing. Probably the last one. So far, so good.
I guess smokers were sitting here.
Yeah, clearly. And they consumed a lot of... I guess they were here for longer.
I got material to like a subject, so might do some